Hello and welcome to
How much do you know about Europe?
Today the chosen country is Croatia!
Our contestant will have to answer some questions about this amazing nation.
Good night everyone!
Well, let's start.
Let's start with Howlett. Hi Howlett.
Hi.
Your question is, when did the Diocletian Palace become World Heritage? A. 1975, B. 1893, C. 1987 or D. 1979?
I think 1979.
Your answer is correct!
Let's continue with Ander.
Good night.
So, Ander, which city from Croatia has a part of it on an island and you can get to it along a bridge? A. Trogir, B. Primosten, C. Split, and D. Pula.
Wow, so difficult. Let's see. Trogir?
The answer is correct!
Next is Anna. Good night, Anna.
Good night.
Here's your question. How deep are the caves of Granjaca? A. 107 meters, B. 8 meters, C. 93 meters, or D. 200 meters?
I think 107.
You seem sure. And your answer is right!
Next contestant is Nerea.
Hello everyone.
Nerea, where in Croatia was filmed part of the second season of the Game of Thrones? A. Split, B. Krka, C. Dubrovnik, D. Sisak.
Oh, I know this one. It's Dubrovnik.